Hello, do you know the angles in a C shape for geometry? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, a C shape, what that could look like is something like this. If I draw two parallel lines and then I could draw a diagonal one like that. Now, as you can see, this almost makes a C, doesn't it? And if you had angles that are like that, what that means is the angles on interior, so inside, have to add up to together 180 degrees. Okay, so 180. So if I had a number, let's just draw one not to scale, let's go for something like this, 110, what would be the angle there? Remember what I just said. What do they have to add up to? Yes, 180. So you know that this missing angle is 70 degrees. So remember this information and how you do it. So angles in a C shape always add up to 180 degrees. All right, use information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!